Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a completely free tool called Artemis to compare DeFi sectors. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So guys, in Web3 we have various sectors. We have lending, liquid staking, real-world assets, DEXs, prediction markets, and so many more. Comparing the sectors help you spot where the real money is moving. Now let's type in artemis.ai in our browser. Artemis.ai, ARTEMIS.ai. So guys, once you're here, you set it up by inputting a valid email address. You then tap the icon at the top right of your screen. You then tap sectors. So once you're here, you then tap browse. And you could see different sectors on your screen. Okay, now if you wish to compare DEXs, that's decentralized exchanges, to prediction markets, you tap DEX. Okay, yeah, it's here. Okay, so you scroll downwards and you can see our different decentralized exchanges and their volume. Okay, so or you could see that Uniswap has a TVL of $4.7 billion. That's insane, and it has a volume of 1.9 billion. PancakeSwap has a volume of 3,064.2 million dollars. Okay, which is impressive. Now let's head back and tap prediction markets. Let's tap browse. Let's tap prediction markets. So guys, here's an overview. It has a volume of $611.8 million, okay, which is relatively small compared to DEXs. However, when a massive real-world event happens, like a global sports tournament or an election, the trading volume on prediction markets absolutely spikes off the charts. This tells us a crucial secret. DEXs represent steady long-term capital, while prediction markets are highly speculative. So by comparing the sectors on Artemis, you can easily tell when a sector is growing organically with real users, or if it's just empty hype. And that's basically it on how to compare DeFi sectors using Artemis, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope the video is helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.